Okay, so I promise the rest of this is not going to be as awful as those last few things. Okay, to evaluate without a calculator. So no calculator. First of all, we're going to rewrite in that radical form. So 16 becomes our radicand. There's our radical. Remember again, the denominator becomes your index. Which again, a 2, you can write it. You don't have to write it. Again, it's assumed to be there. And then you've got the 3. This is specifically a case where putting the 3 with the 16 under the radical isn't going to make your life easier. With no calculator, it's going to be much easier to keep that exponent on the outside. It's going to be much easier to evaluate this inside first and then deal with the cube. So square root of 16 should be 4. 4 to the third power, 64. No calculator needed. Again, we saw the thing with the negative exponent before. We're going to take care of that negative exponent before we do anything else. So first we'll rewrite it, make the exponent positive, and again we're going to now put it back in radical form. 32 becomes the radicand. There's your root. 5 is your index. And again, I want to keep that exponent on the outside because since I'm trying to do this without a calculator, it definitely would be much easier for me to find the fifth root of 32 than it will be to take 32 and cube it and then find the fifth root. So the fifth root of 32, again, if you don't know it, you know how to deal with that. We take 32 off to the side and we keep going, and you keep going, dot, dot, dot. But I kind of hope that you know 2 to the 5th power is 32. And then you've got your cube. So this becomes 1 over 8. So again, put me on pause. Go ahead and try the next 2 examples. And I'm not going to talk through the next examples. I'm just going to have the work there for you.